Om Amardeshwariya Namaha. My humble pranams to all Amma's darling children. Amma's children are now preparing for the Pongala festival. Pongala is a festival of unity. It unites man with nature. It is a union of hearts, a confluence of countless people come to offer themselves to Devi. This time, the Pongala festival attains even greater significance. The whole world is in the grip of coronavirus attack. The fear it created in human minds is still not gone. It is because of the darkness created by humans by straying away from the path of Dharma. Let us try to remove it with the light of festival lamps lit on this holy occasion. Even the ordinary act of cooking food can become an act of worship if it can be done with the remembrance of God. Fire is divine. It is Agni Devada, the fire deity. The stove must be set up and lit with utmost reverence. The offerings of food for Devi must be prepared with love and devotion. Everything must be done to the accompaniment of mantra chanting as the venue of a yajna. Ultimately, we must mentally make an offering of our transient body made up of the Panjabhutas, the five subtle elements, through the Pongala. The Panjabhutas themselves are used for preparing the holy offering. It will purify our body, mind, and the whole atmosphere. Let us come together to participate in this sacred act of purifying nature, polluted by our selfish desires and actions. There is no doubt that all prosperity will arrive at our doors. May the Divine Mother bless all of us for it. Om Amadeshwari.